The Crispin team of Keller Williams Realty Branson, Missouri would like to present to you this property. For more information call 417-335-31091. One-level home on extra-large corner lot complete with privacy fence and storage shed. This immaculate home boasts a split-bedroom floor plan with large master suite including walk-in closet, jetted tub and walk-in shower. 2 additional bedrooms and full bathroom. Spacious kitchen with walk-in pantry and upgraded appliances, many special features including the ceramic tile, and arched entrances to rooms giving it a very open feeling. Located just a quick drive to Branson, Missouri.